So let's learn projectile motion. Projectile motion is a motion of an object in which the object is thrown with an angle, with horizontal, angle with an horizontal. Like if I throw a ball like this with a particular angle theta, okay, it will fall here. Like take these points OA, okay, and the with I throw a ball with speed v, okay, speed v. As you know, if you studied vector, that then you know that the component will be like this: v cos theta, and along y axis v sin theta, okay, y x, okay. And if you the v cos theta, meaning along velocity along x axis doesn't change, velocity along y axis change because the acceleration is downwards. So it affect the upward velocity. That's why the velocity along y axis changes, and velocity along x axis remains constant. Like here, the velocity along y axis will be 0, and it will be negative from here downwards. And interesting thing it is that the velocity v, the magnitude of initial velocity will be equal to magnitude of final velocity in these cases, but only it will have a minus v, a minus velocity, okay. So there is many questions, like the three type of questions that is important, like time of flight. The time of flight will be found by this like it will be like this. um, the time which is taken, meaning there are many formulas you will be seen in books, but I'm giving you some concept, like v like the velocity along y axis will be 0. What time it will get 0? It will decrease by 10 factor. So how much factor it will how much factor of 10 it will take to become 0? So meaning I'm taking 10. So and actually it is 9.8 meter per second square. So the time which was taken by it to become 0, is let's t, okay. So the total time of flight will be 2t. And another type of questions, like range will be velocity along x-axis, which is the v cos theta, and time of flight. So like range will be v cos theta 2t into 2t. So range is what? Range is the distance which is traveled by the ball, okay. Range is distance which is traveled by the ball, and maximum height you will find by the formula v square equal to u square plus 2as. By putting the values, you will find the height, maximum height, meaning you will find the this much height, and this much distance, it is called range. It is called h max, maximum height.